Guys, this one feels super smooth and luxurious the moment you slip into it. The fabric is soft, airy, and incredibly gentle on the skin. It has a subtle sheer finish that looks elegant and refined. Honestly, it's designed to keep simple yet stylish. The waistband sits comfortably without any tight pressure. It gives a secure fit while still feeling relaxed. Friends, this is perfect for long hours of comfortable wear. No irritation, no adjusting, just effortless ease. The stitching is neat and almost invisible. Even under fitted outfits, it stays completely seamless. What really stands out is the breathable feel of the fabric. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal but very thoughtfully done. Nothing flashy, just a clean and modern vibe. It gives a calm and confident appearance. The cut allows natural and free movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material quality feels soft yet durable. It maintains its shape well even after washing. That's a big plus for everyday use. The overall fit is snug but not tight. It adjusts smoothly to your body shape. A perfect blend of comfort and elegance. Definitely something you'll keep reaching for. A classy